we would like to introduce our new channel, Just Cuisine Kitchen channel. We'll strictly deal with recipes. Let us know which recipes you want to watch on the channel. Also, we will do baking. If you're a baker and you would like us to visit you, kindly reach out to us. We shall also do food reviews. If you have a restaurant, kindly also let us know. We shall also have food adventures during our travels and eating competition. If you'd like to participate, kindly let us know. Our handles are Just Cuisine Kitchen on all the social media pages. We have our spinach here, so we're going to cut them into two. Try and cut the edges. This air as much as possible. How do you pluck this? Do you pluck them with this? Or like this? I don't know. As we prepare the vegetables, kindly remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Kindly also share with your friends and family so that they can join the Just Cuisine family. Kindly comment down below with how you store your vegetables and any tips on how to store them better than how I'm doing it at the moment. Previously, before the ban of the plastic bags, I used to store them in plastic bags, but unfortunately now they are not readily available. So this option is working for me. So this is less, the quantity is less, so we get a smaller container. Because if you allow them air, they will not last. let us also know the kind of content that you want to watch on this channel. So we have cabbage, we use cling foil. We have spinach. We have kahorora, pumpkin leaves. We have terere, kienyeji. We have spring onions, and we have kales, sukuma wiki. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly keep it here for more videos.